So here we are, good people, and from the series Let's Make the Kids Happy Again. Here I have a motorcycle, an electric motorcycle in fact, for kids evidently, which is not running anymore. So it's looking like the main power switch is not working anymore. So we have to start digging. Okay, so it's very clear this one is out already. Let me take that switch out, and I have something else to do, by the way. I have to also to check the battery, because my little friend, it's crying like doesn't have enough range. Okay, I don't think this is such a hard job. In fact, it's very simple something. So I have to find me a new switch. Okay, so searching in between my things, I found a switch like this, 20 amps at 12 volts DC. Perfect! That should be exactly what we need. So, perfect! I can't believe it. Perfect fit. So what I have to do now is to tie a little bit these contacts to make them get kind of pushier here, and this one too. Perfect. It's a perfect fit in here. Funny, isn't that? Well guys, now this was the first step solved. Next I have to check the battery. So to do that, I believe I have to take this out, this screw, and probably the battery is here somewhere. I'm not sure, but it's the only logical. That's the one there. And now I can put this back in place too, because it's got wasted. And here we have, in fact it's not a battery, we have two batteries, minus and the plus, and of course these two guys are tied together. Let's see what kind of batteries do we have. And these are the batteries, and we got here TFMA 4.5, 6 volts, 5 amps. Okay, so these guys should have together 12 volts, let's see, plus and minus, 1045 only. Okay, so next step, let's go upstairs and put them to charge. Okay, so here I have the batteries. Again, this is a 6 volts, 5 amps, 3 FM 4.5. Okay. The first thing I'm gonna do is to check the internal resistance. 161 milliohms. And this one, 159 milliohms. I'm not sure how much it should be. Internal resistance approximately 23 milliohms full charge. Okay, yeah, so that was the question. This kind of batteries should be treated a little bit different. It's not applying the classic lead acid. So I have 2.45 volts per cell times 3. Yeah, like I said, 7.35 volts of charging. Okay, now I got it. So I've been looking here, and it's something very interesting and I notice that when it's in regular use, this battery should be charged at 7.2, 7.5 volts. So somehow the rule applied to lead battery, it's not applying here anymore. I have to raise the voltage, and that's kind of problem, because in this menu here the next level it's 8 volts, and if I'm trying to do that, saying low voltage, Let me fake it. How? Let's try this. 7.2. Okay, let's go to 7.2 volts. Yeah, it's taking 2 amps. That's nice. Okay, just let it run like that. So people, you know, all my long charging, discharging, and I couldn't get more than 1.7 amps to each of these cells. So I think it's time to give up. It's very clear the cells are absolutely out of specifications. I don't know if it was like that, but for me it's looking like a very severe degrade, because this motorcycle, it's not more than a few months old. But as long as we are here, let's see if we have any improvement of the internal resistance. So here is minus 137 for this. Oh my, it was just losing voltage. Look there, 5.7, 220 milliohms. No improvement. So this one is self-discharging, and this one it's okay. Let's forget it. The single way to fix this is replacement. But anyway, I have to put them back into the motorcycle, and yeah, and that's it for now. Okay, so let me have these elements, these cells back in place like that. We should have some brackets here. Okay, let's move fast because it's like raining. I really don't like this. I need something to keep those cells down in place. Yeah, better. Perfect. All right, let's put the wires back. And perfect. Yes, it's working. Let's have the chair, charger, of course. So here we are, good people. This is a fix. It's working. Funny, isn't that? So I may say I'm making a kid happy again. You know, this is rule number one: make the kids happy. Okay, don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Please push the like button, and of course, have fun. Thanks to my sponsors Radu, Vlad, and Chuck. And I'll be back with some others soon. Okay, bye.